Hey guys, Richard here with Downgrid Survival. So something I want to share as I'm out running an errand this morning. Got the sun in my face. But, you know, I made a video recently and I made a comment, more of a political comment, okay? It's just that wasn't the focus of the video. It was something that, I don't remember exactly which video it was, but in that video, I made a comment. I also believe I talked about my conservative Christian beliefs, and I got a few comments and some messages, people a little upset with that. And there's a few folks that even said that, you should keep politics out of your channel, and I'm unsubscribing, and, that they went away, which is fine. They can go away. But here's the thing. I'm not going to make any excuses for my Christian beliefs or my political beliefs. Now, I do try to keep politics out of my channel, right? There's just some things that you don't discuss in large groups of people, and there's, a lot of viewers that watch this channel, and certainly, you try to keep it somewhat neutral. But that doesn't mean that I'm going to back away from my beliefs, and if in the course of discussion, whatever the topic may be, if I happen to mention or, feel that I need to talk about, my Christian beliefs or my political standing, I'm going to do it. And here's the deal. There are not enough Christian conservatives or conservatives in general that are speaking up and standing up and pushing back on all these lefties that are screaming at the top of their lungs, getting out there in people's faces, pushing their beliefs. They're getting all the attention. They're getting all the media attention. And you know what? They're the minority. It's the simple fact that us Christians, and I know not everybody is a Christian, but good folks are out there, and we're being polite, and we're being, not up in other people's faces. And because that we're a little more subdued or Christ-like or timid, that doesn't mean that we don't have beliefs, and that doesn't mean that, we shouldn't voice those opinions and those beliefs. Because if you don't, people are going to continue to walk all over you. Now, having said all that, you know what? Like I said, there's going to be times where my political standing or my Christian values are going to come out in the video, and I make no excuse for it. If that offends you, go ahead and unsubscribe. And I'd hate to lose you because we got some great content on this channel. But if that offends you, then go find another channel. But for all of you good folks that have those similar beliefs and understand where I'm coming from, whether you agree with me or not, if you understand where I'm coming from, please like the video and subscribe. Because, again, we try to keep it neutral, and we've got good content that we try to put out, and we got a lot of good content coming out that's going to help a lot of new preppers. And, I look forward to your interaction. I look forward to your comments and the things that you have to share and say. And likewise, I hope you respect the things that I share and say. So please like this video, comment, share it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video.